Silpat mats are a wonderful tool to use while baking, as they prevent sticking and are reusable. However, you will want to know how to clean a Silpat mat in order for it to last. What is a Silpat mat? It is a silicone baking mat used in place of parchment paper or aluminum foil. It has a non-stick surface that requires no cooking spray, oil, or grease. Silpat mats can be used for anything from cookies, chicken, fish, pretzels, flatbreads, scones, and more. Since they are reusable, they will save you money in the long run, though they may seem a bit expensive. They take up very little storage space and easy to use and store, making them convenient to own. Silicone mats are completely safe, with most brands being able to withstand temperatures up to 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. How to clean a Silpat mat? Fortunately, even stinky or sticky messes can come off with the right cleaning. With proper cleaning, you can extend the life of your silicone mats. Dishwasher. Most silicone baking mats are dishwasher safe, which makes for an easy and efficient way to wash them. Simply roll them up and place them in the top rack of your dishwasher on a normal cycle. Hot water and dish soap. Using hot water and dish soap is simple yet effective. For extra tough messes, you can let the mats soak in warm soapy water for 15 to 20 minutes. Lemon juice. If you notice an off odor on your baking mat, lemon juice can be an effective tool to remove off-putting smells. Allow the mats to soak in the hot lemon water for 10 to 15 minutes, then thoroughly rinse them off. In addition, you may also use white vinegar, warm water and baking soda. Create a paste out of warm water and baking soda. Cover the mat with the paste, allow it to sit for about 20 minutes, and rinse the mat with hot water. Baking soda will help remove smelly odors and tough messes. If you still notice the smell or tough stain, you can repeat the process. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.